this is Anuradha from Career Platform. Today I cover the introduction part of class 6 of chapter 1, that is, what is the chapter 1? Knowing our numbers. Okay, can you see the image? Let's see the image. What is here? Here is some two persons are there. One is police and one is thief. So he is catching the thief, but nobody knows what is there in his bag. Okay, so it may be a money, so it may be an Indian system, or it may be a lakhs, in lakhs, or it may be in millions. Okay, it may be trillion, billions. So we have the two system in our numbers, that is an Indian system and another one is an international system. So we will study in this unit, in this chapter, that one is Indian system and another is international system. Now come to the Indian system. Okay, I am making the table for the Indian system, right? So this is ones, tens, then hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, then here 10 crore. Okay, so this is our Indian system place value chart. I am taking an example. Okay, I am taking an example, right? So I can take here like 7, 8, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6. So how you can read this one? Like 78 crore. Okay, 78 crore. This is a crore family. So this one is crore family. So how you can read? 78 crore. Then this one is lakh family. So you can read 94 lakhs. Okay, this is thousand family. So this one is 32,000, and then these three are in one family, that is 100 tens ones. So you can read this 156. So how you can read? 78 crore, 94 lakhs, 32,156. Okay, this is an Indian system. How you can guess this is an Indian system? This will be in lakhs and crores. Okay, how you will put the commas? For putting commas, for one family, after one family we have to put commas like this. Okay, this is one family, so we are putting here comma, then this one. Okay, so how you will write in number name? Okay, this 78 crore, 78 crore, 94 lakhs. Okay, this in the lakh family. 78 crores, 94 lakhs. Then this one is 32,000. 32,000. This one will be 156, right? Do you all get my points? 156. Like this you can write the number name of this Indian system. Okay, that is an Indian system. Now let's come to the international system. How the place value chart for this international system? We have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, then coming to 100,000, then millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, like this. Then again after this billions, okay, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions, then trillions, that like that. This is an international system. Okay, so I am taking one example for understanding this. Okay, I am making the place value chart for that. Like this you have to make the place value chart for international system, right? Now I am taking some number, okay, like 8, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so like Indian system, we have international system also, the families. This is million family. This one is 1000 family. And this one is in one family. This is ones, tens, hundreds. This are in one family. Okay, so how you write? First I will put commas. How you will put commas in the international system? In one, after one family we have to put comma here, then after this 3 you have to put comma here, and then this is the last one. Okay, so how you write in the number names for this? 8094, sorry, not 1000, 100, 894 million, 894 million, 321. This is 321, 321,000 and 567. Like this you can write the number name for the international system. Okay, this one you can write like this: 894, 321, 567. You can see here that in the international system we have the families of 3. Okay, after 3 you have the commas, so you can easily understand the international system and Indian system, right? Now let's move to the next point, that is the greatest and smallest number. So we have given some numbers like 3, 4, 7, 1. Okay, this is first one. I am taking 2 examples to understand. Okay, 2, 6, 5, 8, maybe like this. Okay, so we have to write the greatest and smallest number from these digits. So how you will write? for the greatest number, you have to move from the descending number. How you write the descending number? From the largest number from this digits. What is which is the largest number? That is 7. So I am writing 7. Then after 7, which is the largest number? That is 4. Then after that 3. Then 1. So this will be the greatest number from these digits. Okay. And how you write the smallest number? You have to go in ascending order. Okay. What is ascending order? What is ascending order? That is number 1. 1 is the smallest from all the digits. So you have to write first 1, then 3, then 4, then 7. This is the smallest number of this digit. Okay. And the next is the smallest number, that is this is the first example, that is 3, 4, 7, 1. So given is the digit. Okay, the 4 digit has given, and we have to make the greatest number and smallest number. So greatest number you have to write from the descending order, that is 7, 4, 3, 1. Okay, so this is the number, greatest number. And second one is the smallest number. You have to write in the ascending order. This is 1, 3, 4, 7, right? So we will go to the second part. What is the question? They have given the 2, 6, 5, 8 as the digits. Okay, so we have to make the greatest number from these digits. Greatest number 8, 6, 5, 2. This is the greatest number. And the smallest number, the order of digits should be in the ascending order, that is 2, 5, 6, 8. So like this you can make the greatest and smallest number from these digits, right? Now let's move to the next point, that is some conversions I am giving you. Like in 1 kilometer, how much meter? That is 1000 meter. 1 meter, how much centimeter? In 1 meter, how much centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So you can write 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, right? 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, ml. So we can write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 mm. You can put commas in Indian system also. Okay, so these are the conversions. These are the conversions for this chapter. Okay, you have to use like this. Now next point is estimation. Okay, so in this chapter we have to estimate the values. Like in daily life we can use the, like we have marks. If we get marks 15.5 out of 20 in any subject, we will get like 20 out of 15.5. So we will roughly calculation is there. Okay, that is the round off. If we say somebody how much you score in maths, okay, or you score in science, so out of 20 we don't say 15.5, we are round off. Okay, we will round off, that is 16 out of 20. We can say that 16, I am getting 16, like this. Okay, so this is the estimation, means roughly calculation. So how you calculate and how you estimate the values, let's see that is. So if we have 37. So you can write here 30 and you can write 40 also. So you can see the difference here. How much difference here in 37 and 30? This is 7. And how much 37 and 40? How much difference is between 30 and 37 and 40? That is 3. Okay, so less difference is this one. So we can roughly write 37 as 40. Okay. Okay. So I am writing something here. Okay, if in any number we have ones, okay, in ones place we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can replace by 0, and if you have any number in ones, okay, that is from this one, that is 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can replace by 10. Okay, how you do this? Let's do some example. Like if we have 61, 62, 63, 64. So you can round off this with putting 0 in ones. If any one, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it is nearer to 0. Okay, so it will be 60, right? If we have in one place like 66, 67, 68, 69. So for this you can write, that is 10 means 70. That is the nearer to this one. Okay, so roughly estimation will be like this. If you have one place in 1, 2, 3, 4 in this, okay, so you have to replace with 0. 6 will be as it is. If in the one place 6, 7, 8, 9, so you have to write 10. Means 10 means 70. Okay, to write like this. I have left with one number, that is 5. Okay, if we have 55, we have left with 5. If we have 55, so 5 is nearer to the 10. Okay, so we can write this as 60. So it is changed to 1. You have to add one number like this. Okay. Round off to the nearest places. Like this you have the question in this chapter. Okay. Let's take an example. 6, 4, 8, 2, 7. Okay. So how you can write for the ones place? 6, 4, 8. Here is 2. So we have to write 0 only. Okay. For tens place, here is 8. Here is 7, okay, in ones place. So I had told just now that if you have 5, 6, 7, 8 in ones place, okay, so it will make 10, right? So 2 will become 3. Means for 27 we will get 30. Okay, that is the nearest place. So for ones place, then we will see here is 2. So no changes here. You can write 6, 4, 8. For in these places you have to write 0, 0. Okay. Then again we have to change in hundreds place. So here is 8. So it will change to 5. That is 65,000. Right. Then this one is 4. So it will no change will be here because it is 4. So we have to write in place of 4, that is all will be 0. 1 2 3 4, so it will be 4 zeros. You can write like this. Okay, 64,830, 64,800, 65,000 and 60,000. So round off to the nearest places, means if for this question, if they ask for the nearest ones, okay, for nearest one, what we will see that here is 7. So for 7 we have to change to means 10. So 2 will replace with 3 and for 7 we will get 0, right? And for this is the nearest tens. Nearest tens. For nearest tens, what you can see here, that is here is 2, so no change will be here. This will come to the 0. This will replace with 0, means 6 4 8 0 0. That is nearest tens. Okay. Now you can see if they ask for nearest 100 place. Okay. Nearest 100. What is nearest 100 here? You can see here that is in hundreds place it is 8. So it will change to 10. That is 4 will change to replace with 5 and the rest will be 0. Means you can write here 65,000. And in the last that is nearest thousands. Okay. So for nearest thousands you have to see here that is it is 4. So we cannot replace 6, but we have to replace this number with 0, that is 60,000. So like this you have the question in this chapter, that is round off to the nearest place, maybe it ones, nearest tens, nearest 100, nearest thousands. Okay, so that is the question. Now our next point is, that is estimate sum. How you will round off the sum? Like we have to calculate 22 plus 31. So we have to find the result in the nearest tens. Okay, that will be the question. So you can estimate this like 20 plus 30. You can write like this. Okay, because this is 2 and this is 1. So it will be 50. Approximate, that is the approximate value, right? Here you can write the question may be that the estimate the sum for the nearest hundreds. Okay, so for nearest hundreds we can see here is 9. Okay, so it will change to 5300 plus here will be in the hundreds, that is 9. So it will change to 18,000. So estimate value will be here is 300 and 18 plus 5 will be so it is the estimate value, that is approximate value for the this number, that is 23,300. Sorry, it is nearest 100, so it will be 5,000, right? So I am getting 23,000 here. This is the estimate sum for the nearest 100, right? Now the next point is estimate difference. How do you estimate the difference? This is 5673 and minus 436. If you have to estimate nearest 1000, so it this is the 1000. Okay, so it can come in the 100 place, it is 6. So 1000 place will be 6000 and minus here there will be no 1000 place. Okay, so it will be 0. So what you get? 6000. Okay, for the same number, if we have to calculate for the nearest 100, we have to estimate difference for the nearest 100, right? So the nearest 100, it will be 6000 minus 400, right? Because it is 3, so it can come 400. If it is the after 5, okay, so it will change to 5, right? Here it is 3, therefore we have to write like this. So 6000 minus 400 will be 10 minus 4 is 6 and 5600. So I am getting 5600 here. That is the estimate difference. Okay. Now the next point is estimate the product. I am taking one example like 19 into 78. Okay. So this will be the approximate value 20, and here is 8. So it can come 80. Okay. So what is the approximate value for the product? That is 8 to the 60, and the 20 we have to write as it is. Okay, that is the estimate product. Now the student next topic is Roman numerals. Okay, how you will write? Here also I had write in Roman, that is 6. Okay, for 1 you have to write like this. For 2 you are writing like this. For 3 this one. For 4 this one. For 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now for 50 will be L. For 100 it is C. For 500 it is okay. So you have to know this one. Okay, for 1 it is I. For 2 you have to 2 lines. Okay, for 3 you have 3 lines, and for 4 we have for 4 we don't have the 4 lines. Why? Okay, this is the question. Why we don't have the 4 lines? So Roman for writing Roman numerals we have the rules also. Okay. For 5 it is 5. Okay, if we write here, so for the left side this one means 1. Okay, means 5 minus 4. For the left side we have minus 1. If you write this means 5 plus 1, that is 6. This is the rule. Okay, so for some number we can't change, and the sum up to 3 only we have the repetition. So some of the rules I have to told in this Roman numerals. Now the next point is, that is rules. We have some rules for writing the Roman numerals. Okay, so what is the rules? First rule is, a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Like we have some examples, that is if we write C and C means 100 plus 100. So C is for 200. Okay, if we write here X, okay, so here 10 plus 10, that is 20. So you can write like this, but can you write like this for 150? That is 50 plus 50 plus 50. I can write this, it will be wrong. So you have some rules for this, that symbol X only subtract with L, M and C. Okay, there is no never subtract this Roman numbers, that is V, L and D. So for L we can't do like this. Okay, so we have to write for 150, what you can write? There is 100. For 100 we have to write C, then for 50 we have write L. So CL means 100 plus 50 equal to 150. This will be right and this will be wrong. Okay. Now the next one is the number 2, that is symbol can't repeat more than 3. That is firstly I had written that for 1 this is 1, for 2 it is 2, for 3 it is 3. Okay, but for 4 it can't be 4. It can't be 4. Okay, so it will be 1 for 1, 2 for 2 lines is there, and 3 for 3 lines, but not for 4. For 4 we are writing like this, that is x. Here it this v means 5, that is 5 minus 1, this is 4. Okay, so like this we the symbol can't repeat more than 3. That is the rule for, that is the second rules. Okay. The next rule is number 3rd, that is subtraction and addition of numbers. Okay, for subtraction and addition of numbers we have like this. Okay, this means 10 and this means 1. So if we have left side means minus 1, so 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, if we have x and 1. Okay, so here is right side 1 is written in Roman. Okay, this means plus 1. It may be not visible, maybe, so I will write right side plus 1. Okay, so here x means 10 and 1 means plus 1. Here the 1 is in right side, means plus 1. This is 11. For 12 I am writing like this, means 10 plus 2. Okay, like this you have to write. Now the last one, that is 4th one. What is the rule? Never subtract these Roman numbers, that is V, L and D. Okay, V is for 5, L is for 50 and D is for and D is for 500. Okay, V is for 5, L is for 50 and D is for 500. So we can't subtract this number, we have to subtract with this number. Means like this you can write, like this you can write. Okay, like this you can write. Okay, but you can't write like this. Okay, you can't write like this, you can't write like this. This is wrong, this is right. Okay, so we can see that symbol I is for 1, so only subtract with V and X. Means V you can write like this or you can write like this. Okay, for X you can write like this or you can write like this. This is 4, this is 5 minus 1, this is 6, that is 5 plus 1, that is 6, and this is 10 minus 1 equal to 9, and this one is 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Okay, so symbol I is only for subtraction with V and X, that is 5 and 10. Okay. And lastly, we use symbol X for only subtraction with L, M and C. You can write XL. Okay, so you have write 50 minus 10 means it is 40, right? And you can write like this, that is 50 plus 10, this is for 60. For 70, how you can write? LXX, that is 50 plus 20, that is 70. Okay, like this you have to use symbol X with L, M and C. Okay, that is the rules for Roman numerals, and you can write easily with following this rules. Okay. Now let's do some examples for the Roman numerals. How you write the Roman numerals? 69. You can write 60 plus 9. Okay. For writing 60, you can write like this: L X. This is 50, and 50 plus 10 is 60. Plus 9, you can write like this. So how you will write in Roman numerals? LXIX. Okay. Now the second one is 98. You can write here 90 plus 8. So we know that C is 100 and 100 minus 10. Okay. For subtraction, we have to write in the left side. And 8, we can write like this. So for merging, after merging, how you write like this? For 98, this is the Roman numeral. Okay. It is very easy by following the rules of Roman numeral. Okay. That is third part. 73. How you write? 70 plus 3. For 70, L is for 50 and X for 10 and 1X for 10, means 2X. Okay, 2X means 20. 20 plus 50 is 70. And you can write like this: 3. So you can write LXX and 3. Okay. This is the third part. Fourth part is 92. 90 plus 2. So for 90, here I had write XC plus 2. So this is the Roman numerals, how you will write by following the rules of Roman numerals. Okay. Okay, I hope you understood all the concepts of the chapter number 1. That is my introduction video. In the next video, I will come with the exercise 1.1 of chapter number 1, that is knowing our numbers. And please like, share and comment and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.